Installing your Regal Estate shades is simple and quick, so you can set up your space with ease and confidence. In this video, we'll guide you step by step, keeping each step clear and easy to follow. We'll be demonstrating an inside mount installation, where the shade fits neatly within your window frame for a clean, streamlined look. The shade includes all the basic components: the shade, mounting brackets, hold-down brackets, a handle, and screws. For this installation, you'll need a few basic tools: a drill, a pencil, a measuring tape, and a screwdriver. To get started, place the shade inside the window frame, making sure it's centered and level. Then, mark the bracket locations about 2 to 3 inches in from each side of the window jamb, and mark the screw hole positions. To make installation easier, pre-drill the holes before installing the screws. Next, place the bracket over the holes and loosely drill in the screws. This gives you a bit of wiggle room to make any final adjustments and ensure the brackets are straight and aligned properly. Once everything looks good, fully tighten the screws into place.
Before attaching the shade, make sure the band falls smoothly into place. This helps ensure proper function when you're ready to detach or adjust the shade.
When installing, make sure the narrow side of the headrail is properly aligned with the brackets so the shade can be securely mounted. Now you're ready to install the shade. Click the headrail securely into place. If you'd like to remove the shade in the future, simply pull the release band. The design allows for quick and easy detachment, so you can refresh your style in seconds. You're all set. Your Regal Estate shade is fully installed and ready to enjoy. For additional guidance or product-specific details, refer to the instructions included with your order or visit regalstate.co for more support.